A while ago, I created a video all about vertical tabs, and I want to show you a new feature in vertical tabs. But before I do, if these videos are helpful to you, hit the subscribe button. If this particular video is helpful for you, please give me a like on it so that I know that. And if you have any questions about anything Google related, just comment on the video and I'll answer it for you, often with the video. So let's talk about vertical tabs. For most of us, our tabs are up top here. Let me see if I can switch it. Switch it, show vertical tabs. Now you can see I got my horizontal tabs back. But I can go up here to view and show tabs vertically, and now they're not up top, they're over on the left column, vertical. Now something else I have that in the moment you set this up, you may not have this, but look here. When I bring my cursor over, it expands this automatically. Let me show you how to enable vertical tabs and how to get this to expand automatically when your cursor goes over it. Well, the way you do it is you got to go to Chrome flags. So open up a new tab and type in Chrome //flags and hit enter. Now, if I go just search for vertical, in the event you don't see that, if I search for vertical, there's vertical tabs and vertical tabs expanded on hover. Okay, now I also have, interestingly, side panel flyover animation, simplifies contents animation while animating vertical tab strip and side panels. Let's enable that, see what it looks like. Use default deadline resizing. Use default deadline resizing policy when animating. Let's leave that off. Collapse tab groups during drag. I'll leave that off, but these are enabled, okay? So now, anytime you use a flag, you update a flag, you gotta go down here and relaunch. So let's do that. Close it, opens it back up. Now, look what happens. If I go down here and collapse this, and I move my cursor over, it expands. So again, this vertical tabs and vertical tabs automatically expanding upon hover is all under Chrome flags. Now, by the way, there's a feature in here you can enable for different timing, etc., etc. I didn't see this work as well as I'd like. It works, but the timing, 1500 millisecond delay, it really doesn't give me as much of a delay as I would like. But there it is. I can close this down. I can go back to my Gmail and any one of the tabs, and I have the automatically expand on my vertical tabs. And there's a few other features on vertical tabs as well. If you look right here, I click on that, it pegs it as automatically open. And all my pinned tabs are up here in the boxes. And then I also have the ability to search tabs in the event you have that many tabs and you need to go search for them. And I have the ability to group tabs as well. I don't use group tabs, but one day I may explore that. One option I wish that Google Chrome did, if I expand that, when I'm in this tab right here, I kind of wish that was a little bit bolder, that little gray box. If I come down here and get over this right here, you can see I'm in this bright white one, and it's kind of gray. You really can't see it well. If I go over here to LinkedIn, you really can't. It's just little gray. I wish there was like a brighter color around that. But I like vertical tabs. I've gotten used to using vertical tabs, and now I like the automatically expand. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is useful for you.